Did you notice that our sentiment score for the economy just hit plus 0.30, while momentum surged to plus 0.88? This is a significant spike compared to the historical baseline, indicating a rapid shift in sentiment that we haven't seen recently. Our API provides you with real-time sentiment scores and momentum measures, allowing you to understand the nuances of economic sentiment at a glance. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategy. You can fine-tune your entry and exit points based on sentiment shifts, potentially enhancing your decision-making process during this unusual economic climate. To dive deeper into the data and explore how to leverage it effectively, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.